Here is your step-by-step guide on how to print from your CMS computer. Step 1. Open your preferred application and open the document that you would like to print, such as a Word or Excel file. Step 2. Click the File tab and go to Print. Step 3. Open the Printer drop-down menu and select your preferred printer. Step 4. The default printer setting is black and white. To print in color, simply click the Printer Properties text under your chosen printer. Then, in the pop-up window, click the Quality tab. Within the Quality tab, uncheck both the Print Text as Black and Print in Black and White options to print in color. Click OK to close the window. Step 5. Adjust other print settings and number of copies as needed and click Print. And Step 6. Collect your print job from the printer. This process is now complete.